Watch this. A lead lands in Gmail, so I copy the name, paste it into a spreadsheet, then retype the same update into Slack. Same 3 facts, type 3 times every single time this happens. Here's the thing. Gmail, Sheets and Slack all have data, but none of them know the other two exist. I'm the one manually wiring them together. So what if a tool sat between them and did the wiring for me? That tool is n8n. In one line, it's a workflow automation tool that connects your apps and automates the boring handoffs between them with little or no code. Same job I was doing by hand, just automatic. Before we build anything, we need one word, node. A node is one step. Not the whole automation, just a single action like send an email or add a row or post a message. Now chain nodes together in order and you get a workflow. The order isn't decoration, it is the logic. New lead, then add row, then notify Slack. That sequence is the entire automation. But a workflow doesn't run on its own, something has to start it. That's a trigger, a schedule like every morning at 9, a webhook when another app pings n8n, or you clicking run yourself. Every time that trigger fires and the workflow runs, n8n records it as an execution, its own log with the exact data that flowed through. Something breaks at 2 in the morning, you open that execution and see exactly where it failed. Here's the trick that makes this click. Watch the data itself move left to right, from trigger through each node to the final action. It's not magic, it's just a value getting passed and transformed one step at a time. Here's the number that actually matters. Zapier and Make charge you per task, so run the same workflow 1,000 times and you pay for 1,000 tasks. n8n charges per workflow. Run it once or 10,000 times, the price doesn't move. Say Zapier doubles its price tomorrow. You're stuck, there's no server to just pack up and leave with. n8n isn't like that. Self-host on your own box and you own everything, or use their cloud and skip the maintenance. Either way, you can move your workflows out whenever you want. Everyone compares integration counts, 6,000 here, 400 there. That number means nothing if the platform can hold your workflows hostage. The real question is, can you leave? With n8n, yes. That's the entire pitch. I'll admit it, my first real n8n workflow was one giant chain trying to do 5 different jobs at once. When it broke, I had no idea which node caused it. Lesson learned, one workflow, one clear job. So remember the morning I started with 5 apps and me copy pasting between them? n8n replaces that with 4 ideas. Nodes are the steps, a workflow chains them, a trigger starts it, and an execution proves it ran. Clean. Next lesson, we build a real one of these from scratch. This channel's small, so a like and a follow both actually move the needle.